What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. I'm going to be talking about the newer tripod clamp. This is bought on Amazon. There are different kinds of clamps. I decided to go with this one only because it's metal and the reviews for it were really high. I didn't want a plastic one because plastic ones tend to break really easily. It's very simple to use. You just unscrew it. And it'll open up. It opens up pretty far. And then this guy over here, you loosen this guy and you can adjust this guy however you want. But then when you want to use it, we'll just go to the tripod itself, adjust it accordingly. I'll tighten it like so. And let me get this closer. And then with this guy, you just adjust them how you want it. I usually have mine like that. And then you tighten it. And then once you have all that done, you can either use a GoPro right here or a camera. I can't really use my GoPro because I'm using it, so I'm going to use a camera mount. I'll just screw it on. And there you go. This of course could be used for a GoPro, video cam, or whatever. And then up top, on the tripod itself, you have room for another camera, or if you have two GoPros, you can do the GoPro on top. All tripods have this though. That's why I bought the clamp. With the clamp as well, you can literally put it anywhere you want, as long as you tighten it. You can put it anywhere you want. I prefer the leg though, because it is much more sturdy on a leg. Yeah. This is about how big it looks. I haven't seen other ones online, like I said. They vary in price. This one was $14.99. I actually just checked. I had to pull it up. But I highly recommend it. Like I said, it's easy to use. When I'm not using it, I like to have the clamps together like that. And I usually like to have this guy like that, because then it seems to take less room in a bag you stick it in. I just stick mine in a regular bag with my accessories. But this is the newer super clamp. Is actually what really tongue-tied is what it's really called. The newer super clamp. I will have a link in the description for it, along with other information about it as well. But that's about it about the super clamp. See y'all next time.